Hi,
Hello.
hi,
Can you
hello.
sing for us?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
What song?
Whatever you want.
Wherever I want.
Can you
Okay.
good days?
Ah.
Sjung. Sing.
Sing whatever
Mm.
you want.
Yes. Okay.
Jag var så bra inför idag.
One.
Ja,
Two.
det går jättebra.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven, and I never been, and I don't wanna miss you tonight. And all I can taste at this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand when everything meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. Yay! Thank
You
you.
are very great.
Thank you. From 1 to 10, how much do you
10.
think? 10.
8.
Really?
8, 7, 8.
7 and 8. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your
Have
name,
I-
guys?
What's your
Okay.
name?
Um.
My
Okay.
name is. My name is Diana.
And my name is
Diana?
Diana.
And your friend?
And my name is Sarah.
Sarah. Diana and Sarah. I'm Habibi.
You're happy.
Yeah. Why? Why you laugh?
Why you laughing? Why are we laughing?
What? I
Habibi.
can't hear you.
You can hear me.
Guys,
Fattar du
anyway.
vad jag säger nu då? Fattar du vad jag säger?
Guys, hello. Anyway, I'm filming you right now on YouTube channel. That's okay?
Yes, that's very okay.
Are you
Okay.
famous? You're famous. Oh my gosh.
We are from Sweden,
No,
so we didn't
I'm
know.
just normal being.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you
are
guys.
Thank you.
Glad
You
to
are
know
very
you.
nice.
Goodbye,
Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Goodbye, goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
Goodbye. Hi.
Oh, you're so happy.
What are you doing, guys?
We are chilling. Talking
Chilling.
my legs. The people. My legs hurt. Here's wearing shorts, I promise.
Okay.
No, we just had a threesome, so we are basically naked.
Naked?
Yeah.
I wanna sing. I wanna sing for you guys.
Yes.
May
please
I?
do.
Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll start. Sleep inside of your mind, but don't you know you might find a better place to place. Stand up beside the fireplace to take the look off your face, but you are never gonna burn my heart out. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too late, and she's walking on by. My soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. I heard you say. Yay! I got it.
Was that your song?
What?
Was that your song?
No. That song, the title is Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis.
Jujur aku kalau Mel. Hi.
Hi.
Wow, I really think you're a singer, aren't you?
Right, you're right.
That's good.
Right.
Can I hear something? You can just sing whatever you want. It's your option.
Okay. Maybe you don't know this song. The title is Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis.
No.
You don't know? Okay. I will.
Yeah, but you can sing it.
Okay. Sleep inside out of your mind, but don't you know you're my fine? I'm better flash the place. You said, but you never been. But our thing that you've seen slowly fade away.
That's
So I'll stop a
amazing,
revolution
okay. Just
from my
wait, give me a second, because
Um?
I don't want to like glitch or anything. Do you have
Okay.
any social media? Because I want to hear some more of this. And I'm pretty sure
Okay.
you're posting
I
it
have
somewhere.
YouTube channel.
That's
You wanna
cool.
see?
Yep. I mean,
Okay.
give it to me. Like, type it
Okay.
in the chat.
That's
Give me a
my YouTube
second,
channel.
I'll just type it on. Right.
Okay. Nhảy.
Whoa!
Wow.
You're literally famous, bruh.
No.
Isn't it you? Obviously, it's you. You're literally famous. That's amazing. Look at you.
Thank you. And I'm recording right now. Now. Say hi for my viewers.
Bruh, that's so cute. You're so cute. You're already so cute.
Say hi for my viewers. Come on.
Wow. Hi. I don't know how to react in this situation.
That's right. That's okay.
Wow. Okay. That's so cute. Yeah.
What's your name? I want to know
Bianca.
you.
Bianca.
Bianca. Nice name. I'm Habibi.
Huh?
Habibi.
Habibi?
Yup. That's my name.
Wow. That's nice. You got a cute name.
Really? Thank you.
Yeah. And can I get
And-
your Instagram though?
My Instagram?
Is it
Okay.
like the same? Don't you like
No.
post it there too?
That's my Instagram.
Give me a second.
You're so cute anyway.
Oh, that's so cute. I just followed you. This one. From here. Yeah,
Yup. That's me.
that's nice. Wow, you're so good with music and you're so sociable and so nice. Oh my god.
Thank you. Okay,
Yeah.
Bianca, I had to go. That's okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Glad to know you.
Same. Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. Bye. Nice to meet you. Bye. Dancing in the hood in the middle of the woods and on Mustang, where we sing something like a childhood friend. Kacau.
Okay, ciao.
Dancing in the hood in the middle of the woods and on Mustang, where we sing something like hood friend. And it went like this, yeah. Oops, I got nanny from na 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 na. No, I forgot the lyrics. Sorry. I will always remember the day you kissed my lip like a fader. And you want just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer. Yep.
Oh my god, that was really good.
2002. Dancing in the hood in the middle of the woods and on Mustang, where we sing something with a hood friend. And it went like this, yeah, oops, I got not enough from singing ba ba ba. Who